Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to log out of your Binance account in the web browser. Now let us begin. Well, do note that right here I have logged into my account. Now what I want to do is simply log out. Well, it is quite easy. Initially what you guys have to do is simply hover over this profile button at the very top right. Simply hover over it. And guys, as you can see, there are multiple things. And do note that I have covered almost about everything. Now all I'm gonna do is sign out. At the very bottom, you will see a button like this that says log out. Simply click on it right now. And guys, as you can see, we have been logged out of our Binance account. That is it guys. Logging out of your Binance account is quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.